Introducing our TZH series. Experience precision designed for versatility, safety, and refined integration. The TZH comes in two variants, the standard TZH and the TZHB. Both share the same robust construction and elegant design, featuring an integrated Z-Mark retroreflector that meets German StVZO standards. With a 50mm mounting width, installation is quick and compatible with a wide range of bicycle racks. Both variants are designed for 25 km/h e-bikes and are fully compliant with K-Mark and ISO 67742 standards. Each model comes with a 140 cm cable and includes the mounting nuts and CT22 connector for easy installation. The TZHB enhances this design with a smart brake function powered by an integrated gyroscope sensor. It detects deceleration and automatically activates a brighter brake light, ensuring maximum safety and visibility, ideal for riders who value both style and protection in any environment. Discover all our products and more information on our website. For that, visit www.lite-move.com. Thank you for watching.